Protein is the first element of the plant-based plate. Making sure you have high sources of protein on each plate helps you feel fuller for longer, so it really helps you feel satisfied after eating a meal. It helps you last longer between meals and keeps your blood sugar levels stable. So what exactly is protein? Protein is a macronutrient. There are 3 macronutrients: protein, carbohydrates, and fat, and we need all 3 macros to give us calories. Proteins are made up of amino acids. So what does protein do in the body? Protein in the body has a huge amount of different roles in different areas, such as the functioning of the organs, the immune system, and the hemoglobin that carries oxygen around our blood. Protein helps muscles and bones to grow, and that also keeps our muscles and bones healthy throughout our lives. So how much protein do we actually need? Our protein requirements are based on our weight, and it's recommended that we need 0.36 grams per pound of body weight. On average, it is recommended that men get 56 grams of protein a day and women get 45 grams a day. However, most men eat around 85 grams of protein and women eat around 67 grams of protein per day. We generally eat more than enough protein, even on a plant-based diet, so people don't have to worry about not getting enough protein. However, some people, such as athletes, older adults, or those on a calorie-restricted diet, are recommended to eat more protein than the recommended amount. The reason why we don't have to worry about not getting enough protein is that protein is in almost all foods. Protein is in all whole foods. So if you are eating whole foods, you are eating at least 1,200 calories a day. You are definitely getting enough protein on any diet. So which are the highest sources of plant-based protein? Almost all foods contain protein and it adds up very quickly, but I like to include at least one of the following higher protein sources in every one of my plant plates. Some of the highest sources of plant-based protein include plant-based protein powder, tofu, tempeh, lentils, beans, chickpeas, edamame, peas, powdered peanut butter, soy milk, soy yogurt, pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds, chickpea or gram flour, nutritional yeast, yeast extract, and spirulina. So now that we know how much protein to eat per day and what types of protein to eat, how much protein should we eat per meal? On my plant plates, I try to add around 150 calories worth of protein to each plate. By adding around 150 calories of plant-based protein to each meal, it almost guarantees that you meet the protein requirements for the day just from the highest protein sources alone. And as almost all foods contain protein, the daily protein amount for the 3 meals is usually much higher than the minimum requirements. This is perfect for those who are losing weight, as they do need to eat more protein to make sure that they're losing fat rather than muscle tissue as they lose weight. What are the next steps to lose weight on a plant-based diet? If you'd like to learn more about my weight loss system, which is based on plant-based, gluten-free, delicious meals around 400 calories each, I encourage you to go to greenthickies.com/leaf system, and there will be a link in the description below that you can click on, and you can read all of the testimonials and success stories over there as well. Now it's your turn to reach a healthy weight by making your own plant-based plates.
The magical life of fruit.